Think you need 8 hours a day to learn coding? Think again. Let's face it, not everyone has that kind of time. Maybe you've got a full-time job. Maybe you're raising kids. Maybe you've just burnt out after work and cannot imagine opening a code editor at 9 p.m. So you start thinking, what's the point of even starting if I cannot go all in? In this video, I'm going to show you why that thinking is false and how one focused hour a day can be more than enough to change your entire career. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make consistent, meaningful progress in just 60 minutes a day, why most learners waste time, not lack it, and how people with jobs, kids, and zero free weekends have landed developer roles without burning out. Let's dismantle the myth of I don't have time to learn how to code. There's a false idea in tech. If you're not coding 8 hours a day, you're not serious. It's everywhere. TikToks showing 4 a.m. wake ups and 12-hour grind sessions. And yeah, some people can do that, but most of us, we have jobs, families, mental health to protect. And here's the truth. More hours doesn't mean more learning. In fact, full-time boot camps with 40+ hour weeks often lead to burnout and low retention, especially for learners balancing other life demands. The key isn't quantity, it's consistency plus focus. And that's what we're going to break down next. Let's do the math. 1 hour a day is 7 hours a week. That's 30 hours a month. That's nearly 400 hours a year. If those hours are intentional with a plan, projects, and feedback, that's enough to get job ready. And most importantly, it's sustainable. You can code after your kids go to sleep, code on your lunch break, code before your 9 to 5 if you're a morning person. The key is what you do in the hour, not how many you have. With a structured program, those 60 minutes compound. Every project you build, every bug you fix, every concept you struggle through, it all adds up. A course report study found that students in part-time boot camps report similar job outcomes to full-timers. You don't need to learn everything all at once. You just need to keep showing up and build momentum. Here's where most people lose time. Balancing between 10 tutorials, rewatching the same lesson 3 times because it made no sense, spending 2 hours Googling something they could have solved in 10 minutes with the right guidance. So it's not that you don't have time, it's that you don't have a system. When students join Frontend Simplified, they stop wasting hours trying to figure out what to learn next. They follow a roadmap. They get feedback when they're stuck. They can go straight from confused to fixed without losing the whole evening. That's why even 1 hour a day is more than enough if it's focused time. Let's talk about what this looks like in real life. We've had students working full-time as Uber drivers, raising 2 to 3 kids, living with extended family, no quiet office, no fancy setup, and still showing up for 1 hour a night. That's it. In our internal data, students who consistently commit just 5 to 7 hours per week are the ones who see real transformation. Not because they had unlimited time, but because they had non-negotiable commitment and a program that respected their time. One of our students, Victoria, was working in hospitality. She didn't have 10 hours a day, but she had 1 hour after dinner. She used that hour to build her first portfolio, fix bugs, and eventually land a job earning over $65,000 a year fully remote. Now let's be honest, if you want to binge 12-hour coding days and finish in a month, great, but this isn't that path. If you want a realistic, healthy way to move forward without quitting your job, without burning out, and without sacrificing your entire life, this is how you do it. This is for the parents, the shift workers, the I've only got an hour after bedtime crew. You don't need a perfect schedule. You just need 1 hour and a plan that makes it count. Torin was working full-time in the military, disciplined, structured, but stuck at $56K a year with no college degree and no idea how to break into tech. He didn't have time to quit his job and study full-time, so instead, he carved out time in the margins. An hour in the evenings, sometimes less. Torin didn't sprint, he stacked hours, day by day, and in under 5 months, he landed his first front-end developer role, earning $125,000 a year. No degree, no tech background, just consistency and structure. So if you're telling yourself, I want to learn to code, but I just don't have the time, let me be clear. You don't need time. You need a system and 60 minutes that you protect like your future depends on it, because it does. If you're ready to make that hour count, check the link below. You've got this. Let's make that 1 hour matter.